Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we look at how we can connect to a Rocky Linux machine. This is the Rocky Linux machine right here from a Windows 10 device. This is the Windows 10 device, and we'll be using SSH. Now let's go ahead and see what steps we need to perform. Now I'm gonna open the terminal and we'll look at the version of Rocky Linux. Let's do cat COS release. So I'm running version 10.0 for Rocky Linux. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that SSHD services are running on this Rocky Linux. We can use systemctl command. You can say systemctl status SSHD, and that should show you whether you have SSH running. It's active and running, and it's enabled here. And so it's listening on port 22. Now, once you verify that, you'll also need a username and a password and also the IP address for this machine in order to remotely connect to it. I'm gonna go ahead and then check the IP address here. So let's go ahead and check the IP address here. We'll use the command IP address. The IP address is 172.16.1.101 for this interface. With that information, I should be able to remote into this machine. And I'm going to be using this user here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to log out. And on the Windows 10 device, we can use either the built-in SSH client from the command prompt or from PowerShell. So I'll just search for the command prompt here. We'll do cmd. Okay, so this is the command prompt. I can try and see if I can ping that device. I'll do ping 172.16.1.101. And sure enough, I can reach it. Now I can go ahead and SSH into it. So the command to SSH is SSH. Then the username, at the IP address for the remote machine, the Rocky Linux machine, which was 172.16.1.101, and then just press enter. Yes, and then the password for the user and I can do W, and I'm connected to that Rocky Linux device using SSH. Okay, another way to remotely connect is by using a tool like PuTTY, like this one, which is a free tool which you can download and install. It's a pretty straightforward process. You just Google for PuTTY download. Say PuTTY download here. And then go to putty.org and then just click on this, install it, and then you're good to go. With this tool, you can also do the SSH connection. The port is 22 for SSH, and then here you put the IP address, which was 172.16.1.101. Let me go ahead and exit here. And then you can customize stuff like the colors, the font for your connection. There's a default setting here. You can use the default, and then you can save the customized settings. You can give a new name if you want. I'm just going to use the default in this case. Once you have the IP address, you selected the port, you can click open, and then accept. And then just put in the username here, the password, and you should be able to connect. Now you can connect to this Rocky Linux device from a Mac device, so I can show quickly how you can connect using SSH from a Mac device to this Rocky Linux device. So you just need to use your terminal to do the connection. So this is a MacBook Pro device, and I can just do SSH at 172.16.1.101. Enter. Yes. password. Again, I'm logged in to that Rocky Linux device from a Mac device. So that's all for this video. That's how you can connect remotely using SSH to Rocky Linux device. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.